Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. How many times have you gotten so excited for a DIY project only to land in the middle of it and be ready to pull your hair out? Well, in today's video, I've got an accent wall that only took us an afternoon to complete. So let me tell you about the product we used on this wall behind me. It is reclaimed wood. It's very thin, but one of the coolest, most brilliant things about it, we put this entire wall up with no nails. The product is an adhesive on the back. It also comes with just an array of styles. This is a weathered whitewashed look, but it also has a very modern sleek choices or even more rustic choices. Now, if you get kind of confused, I don't know how much I'm gonna need, you just go on their website and make sure you've measured your wall, and then a little chat box will pop up and you tell them how big of a wall you need for this product, and they're going to tell you exactly how much you need. Then it's going to arrive in a box at your front door. When we opened up the boxes, we pulled out each piece and categorized them according to their similar lengths. Now, none of the lengths are exactly the same. You're just putting them together in the similar lengths. Next, Scott and Josh popped a level line horizontally across the center of the wall. So they started in the middle, alternating with the top and the bottom. By going back and forth, it allowed the guys to take a step back and look at their progress and make sure that they were not having a repetitive pattern, and to also make sure they didn't run out of one of the certain length boards they needed. We used the handy roller that was provided by Stikwood. It evenly applied pressure to every wood board and made sure they all stuck in place perfectly. By the time we were done peeling all the paper off the boards, the floor totally looked like Christmas morning. So when they got to the end of the wall, some of the pieces had to be trimmed just so they would fit in precisely. So the only other trimming that needed to be done was the top and bottom rows to make sure that they would fit the height of the wall. Once the guys got into a pretty good groove, they really started to fly getting this project up, and really it just took a few hours to get it completed. As we made progress, it was so easy to see the end result. It was immediate gratification because there was no step 2 or step 3 to be done. This was finished. Well, I tell you, this DIY project was an absolute home run for us. We didn't have our normal 5 extra trips to the home improvement store. All our supplies, in the right amount, arrived at our door. I also didn't have to make the wood look the way I wanted it to. I didn't have to whitewash it, and I didn't have to stain it. You could also do this product on the ceiling, and there's actually a ton of different ideas on their website. I'll put a link below in the description, and be sure to check out their inspiration gallery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we're going to have more videos out coming soon.